I want to show you something extra cool about this new compact line of processors Sammic has. It's this gravity assist slide. This allows product, once it's cut, just to simply slide down into whatever container. Now, most processors out there have something like this. This is going to shoot all the product out, and that's how all the cheese, onions, in this case tomatoes, that's how all that product usually comes out. But with a gravity assist slide, we don't risk any damage to the product. And what we always tell people, if you're going to cut something like a tomato, to use the slowest speed possible. And one of the reasons for that is when this comes around and this pushes the product out, it can smash that product if it's going too fast. It's going to damage it. Under this kind of a condition with a gravity assist slide like this, we can crank this up to full speed. So I'm going to show you just how quickly we can cut tomatoes because of this new cutting system that we have. And we're going to cut this at a whopping 1,000 RPM. Check this out. Product comes out. Perfect. Look how incredible that is. 1,000 RPM. Here we go. Look how beautiful that is. A couple extra slices here. Oh, incredible. Beautiful.